Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you, dear viewers. Today we delve into the heart of the noble Quran, exploring the profound wisdom of its fifth chapter, Al-Ma'idah. This chapter, revealed in the harmonious city of Medina, is a treasure trove of teachings and parables that form the bedrock of Islamic principles. It addresses topics as diverse as justice, the prohibition of alcohol, and the significant missions of Jesus and Moses. Al-Ma'idah, or the table spread as it is known in English, is a chapter that emphasizes the importance of unity, peace and respect for all of God's creations. It encourages us to live in harmony with one another, to foster a sense of community, and to uphold justice in all our dealings. The wisdom of Al-Ma'idah is a beacon of light, guiding us on our journey through life. Join us on this enlightening journey as we uncover the teachings of Al-Ma'idah. Al-Ma'idah, or the table spread, is a chapter filled with profound teachings and lessons. It's like a guidebook, offering wisdom for life's many situations and choices. From the vast expanse of its verses, we find teachings on various aspects of our existence. Let's delve into some of these teachings, starting with the dietary laws. Al-Ma'idah mentions the prohibition of certain animals. The verse, Hurimat alaykum al-maitatu wa dam walamu al-kinziri, translates to, forbidden to you are dead animals' blood, the flesh of swine. This directive teaches us about cleanliness and purity, essential aspects of a wholesome life. Moving on, Al-Ma'idah also discusses the missions of Jesus and Moses, two revered figures in Islam. The verse, وَإِذْ أَهِدْنَا إِلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ وَإِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ وَالْأَسْبَاطِ, translates to, and when we took the covenant from Ibrahim, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub and the tribes. Their missions, as depicted in the Quran, serve as examples of steadfast faith and devotion to Allah's commands, and their stories inspire us to lead lives of righteousness and courage. Crucially, Al-Ma'idah places a strong emphasis on justice. The verse, Ya ayyuha lilladina amanu kunu kawamin bilkisti shuhada lillahi, translates to, O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice, witnesses for Allah. This verse underscores the importance of fairness and equity in all aspects of life, urging us to uphold justice even when it might be against our own interests. The chapter also addresses the relationship between Muslims and non-Muslims, promoting respect and peaceful coexistence. It warns us against the dangers of associating partners with Allah and gives clear prohibitions against intoxicants, gambling and drawing lots, steering us away from actions that may lead us astray. These teachings, my dear viewers, are the essence of Al-Ma'idah, guiding us towards righteousness. They remind us of our duties to ourselves, to others, and to Allah, helping us navigate the often complex journey of life with wisdom and grace. Al-Ma'idah is not merely a set of commandments, it is also a treasure trove of stories and parables. Diving into the depths of Al-Ma'idah, we find narratives that transcend time and space, teaching us valuable lessons steeped in wisdom and divine guidance. One such story is that of Adam's sons. These brothers, known in Arabic as Habil and Qabil, represent the fundamental human struggle between good and evil. Their story warns us against the destructive power of envy and teaches us about the sanctity of human life. The narrative unfolds as Habil, the righteous brother, offers a sacrifice that is accepted by Allah. However, when Qabil's offering is rejected due to his insincerity, he is consumed by jealousy. Instead of reflecting on his actions, he allows his anger to dictate his path, leading to the first murder in human history. This tragic tale serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of allowing negative emotions to control our actions. Further along in Al-Ma'idah, we come across the story of the farewell pilgrimage, or Hajjatul Wada in Arabic. This event marks the final Hajj performed by the Prophet Muhammad, a poignant moment filled with profound teachings. Here, the Prophet delivered his last sermon, emphasizing the principles of equality, justice and respect for all human beings, regardless of their race or social status. It is in this sermon that the Prophet said, an Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. A white person has no superiority over a black person, nor does a black person have any superiority over a white person, except by piety and good action. Embedded within these stories are verses of immense significance, such as the Ayatul Kursi, the throne verse. This verse, regarded as one of the most powerful in the Quran, speaks about Allah's sovereignty, knowledge, and power. It assures us that Allah is the protector of those who believe, guiding them from the darkness into the light. These stories, my dear viewers, are not just tales of the past. They are lessons for us to learn and live by. They remind us to cultivate sincerity in our actions, to practice fairness and respect towards all, and to seek refuge in Allah's infinite wisdom and protection. As we navigate through our own journeys, let these stories from Al-Ma'idah inspire us to lead lives of righteousness, peace, and spiritual fulfillment. The essence of Al-Ma'idah lies in its powerful message. In the heart of Al-Ma'idah, we find a profound message that transcends time and space. It is a message that speaks to our deepest sense of justice, peace, and righteousness. Al-Ma'idah is a beacon of justice. It calls for fairness, equality, and impartiality in all matters. It reminds us of the value of each individual and their rights. It's a cry against oppression and a call for each of us to stand against injustice in all its forms. In Arabic, we say Al-Furqan, which translates to the criterion. It is through this criterion that we discern right from wrong, just from unjust. Al-Ma'idah also promotes peace. It encourages us to live harmoniously with others, to avoid conflict and strive for tranquility. It teaches us the value of forgiveness and the power of reconciliation. It reminds us that peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of understanding, compassion, and mutual respect. Furthermore, Al-Ma'idah encourages righteousness. It invites us to lead lives of virtue, to uphold our moral and ethical obligations. It urges us to embody the values of honesty, integrity, and kindness. This righteousness is referred to as al-dhikr, or the reminder. It is a reminder of our moral compass, guiding us on the path of decency and honor. The message of Al-Ma'idah is not just for a specific group or time, but for all of humanity, for all time. It is a universal message, applicable in every era and every circumstance. It is a message of hope, a message of unity, and above all, a message of love. Let this message resonate with us, guiding us on the path of righteousness and peace. As we conclude our journey through Al-Ma'idah, we hope you found this exploration enlightening. This fifth chapter of the Quran, revealed in Medina, is a cornerstone of Islamic teachings, offering guidance on topics as diverse as justice, the prohibition of alcohol, and the missions of Jesus and Moses. Its verses resonate with timeless wisdom, urging us towards peace and fairness, while warning against discord and vice. The beauty of Al-Ma'idah lies in its coherence and its ability to address complex issues with clarity and simplicity. It encourages us to reflect upon our actions, to strive for righteousness, and to foster a relationship of mutual respect and understanding with those around us. As we step away from this exploration, let's carry these teachings with us. Let's ponder them, apply them in our lives, and share them with others. Remember, the Quran is not just a book to be read, but a message to be lived. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful journeys through the Quran. May peace be with you all. Assalamu alaikum.